Apple has launched its new smartphone under iPhone 16 lineup globally called iPhone 16e, and it is the most affordable model under this series. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The iPhone 16e features a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus Super Retina XDR OLED display, with up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by ceramic shield glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by latest in-house Apple A18 chipset, paired with 4-core Apple's GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM, and 128, 256, or 512 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the iPhone 16e sports a single 48-megapixel camera on the rear, with f1.6 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 12-megapixel camera under the wide notch at the top center, with f1.9 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. On the software front, the handset runs on latest iOS 18 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an Face ID unlock for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port, and it also features wireless charging as well. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 146.7 by 71.5 by 7.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 167 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The iPhone 16e has been priced globally as follows. The smartphone will be available for pre-order starting from February 28th, in black and white color options. So, what do you guys think of this iPhone 16e smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.